at SIGAR need to get our job right. Right team are committed to ensuring that taxpayer dollars are spent wisely and are protecting against fraud and abuse. If we don't get it